my name is Linda. Welcome to Mature Sass. My channel is all about style and fashion, usually, but lately it's become kind of sprinkled with nail tutorials, a few unboxings, which is what we're going to be doing today. So I have a trunk from Trunk Club. Trunk Club is a styling service from Nordstrom. You pay a $25 styling fee to have a trunk sent to you. You have a preview of things to come in your trunk. You do have a chance to decline several things if you don't want them not to be sent, and you can have a few things more added where then you don't get a chance to choose. I've gotten in my new trunk. Let me unpack it and let's see what I got this time. Okay, since everything comes individually packaged in plastic, I have taken everything out of the plastic, and it actually looks more promising this time than it did the last time. I'll say that, because they did include some comfy loungewear pieces. So let's see kind of like the breakdown in prices. It kind of ranges from a scarf from $15 up to a tote bag for $198. So what you will get is for your trunk, anything that you do decide that you don't want to keep, they already send you like a little postage label that you just slap back on there, and you can order a pickup from FedEx, and they give you the little tapes to tape back up the container. So I have everything from this Rebecca Minkoff tote bag. It is very, very cute, but I have about 3 burgundy bags, so I'm not sure about that one. But there is a pair of, I think those are Wit and Wisdom jeans. There is a Vince Camuto color block sweater. And I must say they did go down a size, so this should help. There's a pair of black joggers. And then there is a black hoodie in a different brand. There is another sleeveless tank though. There's a red sweater. This, I kind of think it has either acrylic or wool in it because I can feel it. But we'll try it on anyway. This is the scarf. It's a buffalo plaid. There is a long sleeve tee. There is a pair of chinos. They're kind of like olive color. And there's a pair of cut off Bermuda shorts. Oh. There's a pair of Ugg slippers. I've been wanting a pair of Uggs. Oh, we all know who would like this pair. Now, I was wanting just the plain tan ones, but we'll try these on anyway. Those are cute. And then there is a pair of earrings. And I think that this was one of the things that I said they could leave in there because I really wanted to see them. They're kind of like the paper clip, but they're in an earring. Oh, that's not at all what I thought it was going to. Look how teeny tiny. Those are real little chains. Okay, I'll probably not try those on because I don't want to ruin it for somebody else, but I thought that they were going to be like at least, you know. All right, let's try things on. do a really quick wrap up because out of that whole box, I'm only keeping one thing, and I'll just tell you why. So, the Perfect Tank by Nick and Zoe, the orange one, I'm returning. It's only $34.80, but I don't really need a tank. I have tons of tanks and camisoles to wear in the spring and summer underneath shirts and cardigans. So that's going back. The Megan Leather Tote by Rebecca Minkoff. It was $198. It's burgundy. I have like 3 burgundy handbags. I don't really need it. The Absolution High Waist Ankle Skinny Pants. The ones that were green from Wit and Wisdom, they were $78. I have like 3 pairs of green pants. I don't really need them. I'm not going to keep them. Plus, I don't like skinny jeans. The bar chain hoop earrings were $22, which is a great price, but the chains were real teeny tiny, and I thought that they were bigger, like as a hoop. So that's going back. The Women's Madewell green shirt. It's $45. I don't really need any long sleeve t-shirts. I have tons. So, the Scuffette slippers by UGG, I'm keeping. I have them on now. They are super comfortable. I really wish that they were just that camel color, but it's okay. So those were on sale for $69.96. I am keeping them. The Absolution Luxe Touch High Waist Skinny Jeans, they are $88. Not keeping them. They are high waisted. It came up to like here, and they were still baggy and loose. Plus, I'm not a skinny jeans kind of person. The Color Block Tunic Sweater by Vince Camuto had a lot of acrylic in it, very itchy. Plus, I have the air conditioner on today. I don't need that sweater, so it's going back. It was $89. The tie sleeve cotton blend sweater, it's on sale for $31.60. It's cute. I have about 3 red sweaters. I don't need it. It's going back. The Live-In Pocket Joggers were $59 by Zella. Cute, cute. I have a couple of pairs of black joggers though. I don't really need them. Had they been another color and that hoodie been another color, I probably would have kept it. I have a lot of these like lounge sets. This is like 20 bucks from Hanes Her Way. And you know, I have, and it's really good quality. It's the cotton hoodie and the joggers for $20. I mean, and I have one in gray. So I have a lot of these just neutral lounge sets. I don't really need that one, or those joggers rather. The Buffalo Check Scarf, I started to keep it, but then no, because it's acrylic and it's a little bit itchy. So it was that black and red buffalo plaid, and it's only $15, but I'm sending it back. And then the drawstring hoodie from BP, very cute, fit great, but I got one from Nike, you know, my Nike black hoodie, and then I have another one. I don't really need it. Had it been a different color with the different color joggers, more than likely I would have kept those two. And then the Bermuda denim shorts that were cut off from Good American, they're $119. You all know I'm not keeping those shorts for $119. I have tons of Bermuda shorts that I've cut off myself, and so I'm not going to waste my credit, $119 of it on those Bermudas. So that's it, guys. I'm keeping the Uggs. So what I really wish that they would allow me to do is just give me the credit, let me use it at Nordstrom or Nordstrom Rack, and get something that I can really use. So I guess I'll be getting another trunk because until I can use up that credit, I'm just gonna get another trunk, I guess. So thanks for stopping by. Thanks for spending time with me. And if you want to use the link, I'll leave it listed below. and where you can still click it and get $50 credit. So I think it was Teresa. Teresa, I'm glad that you found a necklace that you loved. And if anybody else would like to use it, more than welcome to use it. And it will, again, give me $50 credit to use. Maybe I'll find something cute for like summertime. Maybe I should ask them for shorts, like Bermuda, plain Bermuda shorts. I would love a pink pair and a blue pair for summertime. Anyway, I'm rambling now. If you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button down below before you go. Make sure you thumbs up the video, tap the notification bell so you'll be alerted each time that I upload a video. My loyal subscribers, thank you as always. Make sure you're staying safe and healthy, and above all, keeping it sassy. I'll see you soon.